All right, Jason Gray, New American Funding. Let's talk today about USDA loans. USDA loans are zero down loans. They're available to you in rural areas. The greatest thing about these loans is that the mortgage insurance, comparatively to an FHA loan, is 1/4 of the cost. Again, 1/4 of the cost on the monthly mortgage insurance, and about 60% less in cost on the funding fee. So, in regards to a monthly payment, a USDA loan is amazing. The problem behind the USDA loan is they're very, very strict on a few guidelines, and I'll talk to you about what those are. Location is key. So anything in the major metropolitan area don't exist, right? But if you're in the outskirts, like for example, if you live in Everett, for example, you have to be all the way to Arlington North, right? If you're living in Spokane, you need to be outside the Spokane Valley or up north of Spokane or super south. So you can't be in just like a major metropolitan area. So second thing we look at is income. So income matters, and it matters how many people you have in the household. So for example, let's say you're husband and wife and you make less than $100,000 a year. More than likely, based on the county, you're probably going to qualify. But let's say you make about $140,000 a year, but you have 0 kids versus 3 kids. So if you had 0 kids, you wouldn't qualify because you wouldn't make enough income. But if you had 3 kids or more, then you actually qualify for about $154,000 in yearly income. The other good thing is they're very okay about credit history. And so they'll go down to a 580 credit score. They're going to take a really big focus on your last 12 months of your credit. So they take a look at that as well. But this program's great. I mean, you could walk in with literally $200 at closing, have the seller pay all your closing costs, your prepaid taxes, buy your rate down. There are some great advantages to doing the USDA loan. So if you have any questions, you're in the market to purchase a house, feel free to give me a call. Let's talk about your situation, talk about what type of loan programs fit your needs and why, and I'll walk you through those, all right? I'll talk to you soon. Thanks, bye-bye.